Good morning, friends. This week on Wednesday is Earth Day. So today you're going to listen to the story The Three Little Recyclers so you can learn a little bit more of how we can help keep our Earth safe and healthy. Three little pigs each built a new house. They used recycled materials. The first pig built a house out of cardboard boxes. The second pig built a house out of glass bottles. The third pig built a house out of tin cans. She filled the cans with sand and glued them together. On trash day, a wolf came by in his giant trash truck. "I've come to take the trash," he cried. "Oh dear!" cried the pig with the cardboard house. Roar! The huge truck chugged and chewed. Soon the cardboard house was gone. The first pig ran to the second pig's glass house. A wolf followed in his giant trash truck. "I've come to take the trash," he cried. "Oh dear!" cried the two pigs. Roar! The huge truck chugged and chewed. Soon the glass house was gone. The two pigs ran to the third pig's tin house. A wolf followed in his giant trash truck. "I've come to take the trash." Roar! The huge truck chugged and chewed and chugged. But the tin house was too strong for the truck to chew. "Stop!" cried the third pig. "This is not trash. This is my house." "Wow," said a wolf. "Maybe I should be a house builder. You can have plenty of trash," said the pig. A wolf waved goodbye and chugged down the road. "Phew," said all three pigs. The end. Friends, I hope you got to learn a little bit more about how we can build different things out of recycled materials. This Wednesday, Miss Andrews is going to send you a video of her building something cool out of recycled materials she can find. Then you are going to be challenged to make your own building, just like our builders, the community helpers we are learning about this week. I hope you have a great day today, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.